Dressler Block Concrete, an A-plus listed company with the Better Business Bureau, arrived early with a fleet of trucks and equipment. They immediately set about to remove the old driveway with the intention of completing the installation of the new driveway before the end of the day. The owner, Brian, a 40-year veteran in the concrete business, works right alongside his crew. It seems to be a well-choreographed event, as each member of the crew knows exactly what their role and tasks are along each stage of the job. The old concrete is quickly broken into smaller, more manageable pieces. It's then loaded into one of the large dump trucks for removal. The driveway is graded to the proper slope. Gravel is uniformly spread to form the new base and is thoroughly compacted to prevent future settling. Wire mesh is used to strengthen the concrete. Arrangements are made to have specialty subcontractors like this curb cutter come just when their services are needed. With the old apron removed and an adequate amount of dirt removed behind the curb cutter can lower his massive blade behind the curb to just the right height and begin making a level cut across the entire width of the driveway apron, which will make exit and entry to the new driveway very smooth for the owner. With forms, gravel, and wire mesh in place, it's time to pour the concrete. Trucks with the prepared mix arrive just in time, minimizing any downtime. Concrete is loaded into a wheelbarrow for areas of the job site where the discharge chute of the truck cannot reach. Concrete is then spread evenly and filled to the top of the forms, which is the elevation needed to provide the proper slope. Once the pouring is within reach of the extended chute of the truck, the pace picks up as smoothing and leveling can begin, while the truck makes one continuous pour of concrete the full length of the driveway. With the pour complete, the rocky and granular cement is continually worked with floats to transform the rough surface into one with a smooth texture. A string is used to mark off the center line and sections of the driveway into which grooves will be made. These grooves serve the purpose of preventing cracks from forming across the concrete drive. It's another measure of reinforcement. Once a smooth surface has been achieved, a pattern is applied to the surface with brushes. The concrete is detailed by the workers using hand trowels along the edges to give it a finished and professional look. In just one day, the concrete has cured enough to walk on. The forms are removed and soil is brought in to fill the voids left by the forms. While the driveway is complete, you will have to wait several days for it to harden before it's strong enough to drive your car across it.